Site123 is a beginner-friendly website builder that allows you to create and manage websites without requiring technical skills. Here's how to use it. Sign up and log in. Visit Site123's website and sign up for an account. You can register using your email or social media accounts. Choose a template. Upon signing up, you'll be prompted to select a website type. Site123 provides pre-designed templates tailored to different needs. Customize your website. Edit content. Replace placeholder text and images with your content. Use the intuitive text editor to format text, insert links, and upload media. Design options. Customize colors, fonts, and layout settings in the design section. Add pages. Use the Pages menu to add, remove, or reorder pages like About, Contact, or Services. Add features. Utilize Site123's built-in tools like a blog, e-commerce store, or contact forms. Access these through the app market. Set up domain and publish. Choose a free Site123 subdomain or connect a custom domain. Click Publish to make your site live. Manage your site. Use a dashboard to monitor traffic, update content, and manage SEO settings.